How did 2023 start for buyers and sellers? Pretty much like 2022 ended. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Trends that began during the last half of 2022 continued into 2023. Buyers started the year with a lot more choices compared with the last 3 Januaries. Following a trend that started last spring, prices continued to drop throughout the East Bay. Another trend from 2022 that continued into the new year is slowing home sales. There were about 400 fewer homes sold during January 2023 compared with January 2022. Let's get local with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. More options for buyers everywhere. Big increases in small communities. Castro Valley and Newark both up more than 60%. Prices down everywhere. Alameda and Fremont both down at least 20% compared with last January. Sales down almost everywhere. Alameda down more than 50%, Hayward down 40%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale up almost everywhere. Big increases in El Sobrante and Pinole. Prices down almost everywhere. El Cerrito drops more than 30% to $930,000. Sales mixed. Modest increases in El Cerrito and San Pablo, down everywhere else. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale up everywhere. Walnut Creek 26 for sale, way up from last January. Prices down everywhere. Pleasant Hill down 14% to $989. Sales down everywhere. Walnut Creek only 5 homes sold, down 85% from last January. Next, Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda. Homes for sale mixed. Big increases in Lafayette and Orinda. Prices down. Lafayette drops almost 20% to $1.5 million. Sales mixed. Lafayette and Orinda both down. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale up everywhere. Alamo up more than 200%. Dublin more than double from last January. Prices down everywhere. Dublin 1.35 down more than 20%. San Ramon 1.5 down almost 30%. Sales down everywhere. Danville, Dublin, and San Ramon all down at least 50%. And finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale up everywhere. Brentwood, 117 for sale, up more than 200%. Prices down everywhere. Pittsburgh, 533, down 18% from last January. Sales down everywhere. Brentwood, 29 sold, down 50%. Let's see if more choices and falling prices jumpstart real estate activity earlier this year. We'll see you next month.